Hi and welcome guys. The 12th of August is coming. State elections, PRN 2023, are just around the corner. Are you ready to go back and vote? In this video I would like to share 18 offer for all the voters. Number 1. Tony Roma's, free barbecue 1/4 chicken. Tony Roma's is rewarding voters with a free barbecue 1/4 chicken if you spend a minimum of RM30 at any of their outlets. Just show your inked finger and you can redeem your chicken. The offer is only valid on Saturday the 12th of August. Number 2. Boat Noodle, a free bowl of noodles. Head to your nearest Boat Noodle outlet on Saturday the 12th of August to redeem a free bowl of noodles. All you'll need to do is show both your inked finger and Boat Noodle's social media post on the offer. Number 3. myBurgerLab Cheeseburger, for only RM15. On 12 and the 13th of August, you can get anything from the cheeseburger category at myBurgerLab for only RM15 if you voted. The offer is available at all labs. Number 4. Italiannies, 50% off pasta vongole. Craving Italian food instead? Italiannies is offering 50% off their pasta vongole on not 1, but 2 days, 12 and the 13th of August. Number 5. TGI Fridays, 15% discount cheeseburger. Available on 2 days as well, 12 and the 13th of August, voters will be able to enjoy TGIF's cheeseburger with a 15% discount. The offer is only available for dine-in and while stocks last. Number 6. CU, deals as low as RM1. Starting a day earlier, CU is offering promotions between 11 and the 13th of August with deals as low as RM1. You will be able to get discounts on the following items: second soft serve at only RM1, second grapefruit tea or Hochiwan peach tea at only RM1, buy 2 cans of Milo at RM6, second Delic pouch drink at 50% off, second Pringles can at 50% off. Number 7. Texas Chicken, buy 1 free 1 Crunchy Jalapeño Wraps. Also starting their promotion a day before polling day is Texas Chicken. From 11 to the 14th of August, you can enjoy a buy 1, free 1 offer on their Crunchy Jalapeño Wraps, which cost RM 14.99. The offer is valid for dine-in and takeaway only. Number 8. TLive RM6 drinks. TLive is offering an election promo on the 13th of August. With the offer, the following drinks will only cost RM6 each: Bang Bang Milk Tea, Signature Cocoa, Signature Brown Sugar Pearl Milk Tea, Signature Coffee, Sparkling Mango, Passion Fruit Tea with 3Q Jelly, Hazelnut Milk Tea. Number 9. Coffee Kulture, RM6 Latte Deal. Show your inked finger at Coffee Kulture on polling day to enjoy their RM6 Latte Deal. Coffee Kulture is a cafe in Srigambak offering classic lattes, as well as a variety of other coffee flavors. Number 10. Tarik Place, RM15 Nasi Lemak Ayam Goreng Berepa and Tarik, Tay Set Meal. Vote and enjoy Nasi Lemak Ayam Goreng Berepa and Tarik, Tay Set Meal at just RM15 from any Tarik Place outlet. Just show your inked finger to redeem it anytime on 12 and the 13th of August. The offer is valid for dine-in only and limited to 1 set per person. Number 11. US Pizza, 50% off for all a la carte items. Enjoy an incredible 50% discount on all a la carte items on August 12, 2023. Just show your indelible inked finger and enjoy. Number 12. Sushi King, 1 Goma Idako Trio for free. All voters are able to get 1 free Goma Idako Trio with any purchase. Just show us your inked finger from the 12th to the 13th of August to claim this reward. Offer valid only at outlets in Klang Valley, Penang, Negri Sembilan, Kedah, Kelantan, and Terengganu. Number 13. Jayco Donuts and Coffee, free Americano. Show your ink mark on your finger and get a free Americano. Only for the first 100 customers. No other purchase is required. It is absolutely free. Number 14. The Manhattan Fish Market, RM5 Aglio Olio. Vote and enjoy an unbeatable price of aglio olio for just RM5 with any purchase when you show your inked finger. Available on the 12th of August only. Number 15. Domino's Pizza, RM1 of 1 large pizza. Get 1 large pizza for only RM1 when you purchase 1 regular pizza at a la carte price. The redemption valid in store only. Number 16. Pizza Hut, free large pizza. Vote and get a free large pizza when you buy a regular cola pizza from the 7th to the 13th of August 2023 at Pizza Hut. Available for in-store purchase and redemption, dine-in or takeaway, and not valid for online or in-app orders. Number 17. Hernan Durian King, free 100 ml Musang King ice cream. Show your inked finger and claim 100 ml Musang King ice cream for free from Hernan Durian King. Only available at Mid-Valley Exhibition Center for Tastefully Food Expo, the 11th to the 13th of August 2023. Number 18. Dore Remi by Wizards, free Dore Remi black, white coffee, hot, cold. Show off your inked finger and redeem a free steaming cup of Dore Remi black, white coffee, hot, cold, on the 12th of August 2023 only. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget claim your offers. Happy voting!